Firstly, type this in the search box at the top. Once you type that, press Enter on your keyboard. Choose the first link or the one that says rbxscript.com at the top. As you can see, this script is currently undetected, so Roblox hasn't banned it. Click the Get button. Close ads. Here is the script. I will leave it in the description of the video. Copy that script. Then, open Roblox and click on Lucky Blocks Battlegrounds. It might take a while to render based on your internet speed. But anyway, open your preferred executor. Right-click next to the number 1 and paste the script. Once it shows up like so, click the inject symbol down here. If this message shows the executor was injected into the game, press execute, and voila, it has worked successfully. We can access so many OP features with this script, like open all lucky blocks, infinite jump, walk speed, jump power, kill all, and more. This is awesome, not gonna lie. Let's try out the kill all feature. Kill all is located in the main tab right here. There's kill all, use sword infinite, kill all, needs hexspitter, only once, and kill aura. But sadly, the only option that works for me is the kill all with hexspitter. This is what the hexspitter looks like if you don't know. While you're holding it, click on the kill all with hexspitter. As you can see, everyone in the server except for me died. But sadly, it doesn't kill people who are in their bases. So this feature has a slight limitation. That was my personal favorite feature. Now let's move on to the player tab. Here there's fly, walk speed, jump power, and infinite jump. I'm just going to increase the walk speed slider just a bit. Nice. Let's increase the jump power slider too, cause why not? The values can go all the way up to 1000. Let's turn on infinite jump. I can jump up an infinite number of times. Here in the miscellaneous section, there's rejoin, anti-lag, anti-AFK, and also ESP. We can also toggle the GUI, which is this menu screen. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye.